প্রিয় দর্শক বন্ধুরা, এই মুহূর্তে অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ খবর আপডেট। প্রাথমিকের ক্ষেত্রে ৩,৯২৯টি শূন্যপদ কাটা হবে কি হবে না, এই সংক্রান্ত বিষয়ে সকালেই কিন্তু আপনাদেরকে জানিয়েছিলাম যে সর্বোচ্চ ন্যায়ালয়ের সুপ্রিম কোর্টে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ মামলার কিন্তু শুনানি ছিল এবং সেই শুনানি হয়েছে। সেখান থেকে তাৎপর্যপূর্ণ বিষয় উঠে আসছে, বলা যেতে পারে স্বস্তির খবর। ভিডিওটিকে অবশ্যই তাই শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখে নিন ও চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিয়ে সঙ্গে থাকুন। বন্ধুরা, যে খবরটি বেরিয়ে আসছে, এই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ মামলার শুনানি হয়েছে, কিন্তু এই ৩,৯২৯টি শূন্যপদ কাটার বিষয়ে কিন্তু কোনো কথাই হলো না। আপাতত একটা বিরাট স্বস্তি যে মূল ভ্যাকেন্সি থেকে এই বর্তমানে যে 2022-এর অনগোয়িং রিক্রুটমেন্ট প্রসেস 11,765 থেকে ৩,৯২৯টি শূন্যপদ কাটার কিন্তু কোনো জায়গায় এখন থাকছে না, অর্থাৎ এরকম কোনো সম্ভাবনাই কিন্তু আপাতত উঠে আসেনি। এটা একটা বড় স্বস্তির খবর বলা যেতে পারে। যদি এর মধ্যেও 2022-এর যে প্যানেল প্রকাশের ক্ষেত্রে স্টে পড়ে আছে সেটি উঠেও যায় ও প্যানেল প্রকাশ হয়েও যায়, তাতেও কিন্তু কোনো সমস্যা নেই। তবে এই যে ৩,৯২৯টি শূন্যপদ তা কাটার বিষয়ে কিন্তু আপাতত কোনো কথাই বা প্রসঙ্গই বা সম্ভাবনার জায়গায় কিন্তু থাকছে না। এটা একটা বিরাট বড় স্বস্তির খবর বলা যেতে পারে। আসুন আমরা সর্বোচ্চ ন্যায়ালয়ের যে শুনানি সেটিকে সরাসরি দেখে নেওয়ার চেষ্টা করি।
Panel in this advertisement was meant for those people only, madam. No. This advertisement was specifically intended for these people only. The entire selection was confined. No. Then I'll show it, madam. I'll demonstrate it. Documents on record to show it.
Vacancies accruing in 20 advertisement.
23rd December 20.
How do you take in people from 2014 panel in this?
This advertisement was meant for those people only, madam. No. This advertisement was specifically intended for these people only. The entire selection was confined. No. Then I'll show it, madam. I'll demonstrate it. Documents on record to show it.
Vacancies accruing on.
Yes, those vacancies are there. What has happened is they advertised 16,500 vacancies.
When did these vacancies accrue?
These vacancies were advertised for the first time on 23rd December 20, and at that point in time, only the 2014 TET pass candidates were eligible and available, because the subsequent TET happened after this advertisement came. So that is why these were the people, only set of people who were available, the 2014 TET people. And at the point of time when the advertisement came to be issued, they advertised 16,500 posts. They said we published a merit list of 15,000 and all candidates, but in effect that list only had 12,000 names. The board admitted before the learned single judge, it is a matter of record. The learned single judge asked the parties to sit together. They sat together, and then the board admitted that 3,900 posts they did not fill up. So that the proceedings continued with respect to that. I need to bring documents to
You are for?
I'm for the primary board, my lord. We are also appellants, my lord.
I have also challenged it to some extent, my lord. But my lord may only allow me.
And your lordship has issued notice, my lord, and stayed this order.
Both set of SLPs, my lord, have issued notice.
Three sets, your lordship.
My lord, this can't be 2 days time. My lord,
Out.
It has to be on the non-miscellaneous.
Yes, my
Yes,
lord.
yes.
Of course,
Interim orders of
interim orders to continue.
Interim orders to continue, my lord.
Non-miscellaneous day after 3 weeks.
Millards, there is a submission, Millards. My 2 applications for implement are pending. I was also a writ petitioner before the High Court.
See, you don't join the proceeding first time in Supreme Court.
No, we were. Millards, there is an order in our favor by the learned single judge. Our order is not challenged before the division bench, and that's why we are not in parties. We are coming here because we will be anyways affected, Millards. We are of the same batch.
The interim orders, your lordship.
Interim order to continue.
19th May.
Millards, only we may be.
Millards,
Our
we are challenging
implement will be allowed, Millards.
Yes, next.
Millards,
matter.
Further orders.
May I just submit, Millards?
You say interim order to continue until further order.
So the
I'm ready.
readings will be exchanged in the meanwhile, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Anybody who wishes to file pleadings, my lord, no defeat.
Proceedings may be exchanged. Then
That's by-
4 weeks.
Millards, my implement to be allowed. My implement. I was. Millards,
We are not allowing anything at this.
May I just submit one thing? Millards, I was a writ petitioner before the High Court. If same 26/9/22 order was passed in my favor as well as in the favor of the main petitioner. The order passed in the main petitioner travelled up to the division bench because the state chose to challenge only that. And that's how they have come up before your lordships. Now I'll be affected by anyways by your lordship's order, Millards.
Okay, we'll see you come out when the matter is called on.
Lordship may permit me to file counter affidavit, Millards.
No.
My submission, at least written
We
submission.
are not allowing entry into the litigation act. Yes.
Millards,
If we may allow you to intervene, you come prepared on that date.
Lordship must say so, Millards, because otherwise.
Why do we want everything to be recorded?
Millards, Lordship may just see.
Whatever, all these matters will be listed on that.
Millards may.
All connected applications to be listed.
Milots, may just appreciate one thing, Milots. The state challenges one order, leaves the other one. No, there, I'm left in a lurch, Milots. So I have to oppose the state. Grateful.
Reply to the implement, Lord, just in case if your lordship feels.
There's nothing to file in the implement, we'll know whether to add him or not.
Great, Lord.
Grateful.
53.
Great, Lord.
Look, the entire issue is before your lordship. Nobody is going to be prejudiced. Your lordship will decide.
We are getting confused with 11, 12, then.
Group D, Group C,
Look, there is nobody left.
2014, 16, 20.
21, 22, it goes up.
Actually, there is nobody left who is not confused.
It is 53 and for the petitioner. In
বন্ধুরা এখন এটুকুই, সকলে ভালো থাকবেন এবং চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিয়ে সঙ্গে থাকবেন। ধন্যবাদ।